For today's YouTube lesson, we are going to learn how to solve more money word problems. So, all you need for today's lesson is just your math workbook and your stationeries. Okay, please take out your math workbook and please turn to page 188 and we are at question 3. Okay, so let's read the question together. So, Jason saved $45.60 in May. He saved $20.50 more than his sister. So, how much money did they save altogether in May? Okay, so first thing first, when you come across a question, we always read it part by part. So first part tells you that Jason saved $45.60 in May. Okay, which means I'm able to draw a model like this, and I can label $45.60. Okay, next part tells you that he saved $20.50 more than his sister. The moment you see the word more than, what kind of model would you be drawing already? Good. You should be able to tell me that you're going to draw a comparison model. Okay, so now we need to label this model as Jason's model. So, if Jason saved $20.50 more, do you think Jason will have the longer bar or the sister has the longer bar? Okay, you should be able to tell me that Jason will be the one with the longer bar. Okay, so it might be something like this. And remember, when you draw your comparison model, some of you still forget to label your model. Okay, so please label your model. Okay, so if Jason is the longer bar, where do you think I should put $20.50? What do you think it represents? Okay, you should be able to tell me that it represents the difference. Okay, and your difference is here. Okay, this part here will be $20 and 50 cents. Okay, where it represents your difference, this part. Okay, then I want to find how much did they save all together. All together means everything. Okay, so this is where your question mark will appear. Okay, so this is what I want to find. Okay, up till today, you should be able to produce this model out by yourself already. Okay, so all together means everything. I already have which means I'm going to take Jason plus the sister. Okay, all together is always addition. Alright, so I already know Jason has how much. I just need to find the sister has how much. Okay, so sister is the shorter bar. So I will just take $45.60 minus $20.50. Okay, so your first step will be $45.60 minus $20.50. Okay, so please be consistent with your use of unit because some of you are still omitting your dollar sign and your decimal point. Okay, so when you do your working here, okay, so as you do your working at the side, please remember to put your dollar sign as well as your decimal point here, which is your dot, to separate between your dollars and your cents. Okay, so as you do your subtraction, you do as per normal as how you always do for subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, so we do 0 minus 0, which is 0, 6 minus 5, which is 1, bring down your dot. Okay, Then 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then bring down your dollar sign. Okay, so you get $25.10. So this will be $25.10. Okay, which means you already found how much the sister has. Okay, so I know the sister, I know Jason. To find what they have in total, I just need to add them together. So your next step will be $45.60 plus $25.10. Okay, as you do your addition, it will still be the same thing. Okay, so you write down your addition here, $45.60 plus $25.10. Okay, remember to align your dollar sign and your decimal point to be the same line. Okay, then when you do your addition, you just add as per normal, like how you do for whole numbers. So 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 6 plus 1 gives me 7. Bring down your decimal point. 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So I put 0 here and a 1 here. 1 plus 4 gives me 5. Plus 2 gives me 7. Then bring down your dollar sign here. Okay, so $25.10. Oh, sorry, it should be $20.10. Okay, there is an error here. Oh, sorry, correct. So $25.10 because sister has $25.10 and then Jason has $45.60. So you add them together, you will get $70.70. Okay, because all together means I want Jason and I want sister. So sister I found already is $25.10. And Jason is already given to me, it's $45.60. So I just need to add them together and I get my final answer. Okay, then please write down your word statement. So they saved $70.70 all together. Okay, remember to write down your units. Okay, now let's move on to performance task on page 189. Okay, so although you don't have your play money here, but you should still be able to do this question. Okay, so a packet of noodles costs $3.20. You have this amount in play money. Okay, means all you have is just one $2 note, another $2 note, one $5 note, and one 20-cent coin here. Okay, so do you have a $10 note? No, you do not have a $10 note. So can you use a $10 note? Okay, no, you cannot use a $10 note. Okay, so all the notes that you are able to use are all given here only. Okay, which means all the notes that you can use are just here. Okay, so I want you to show 3 ways you can buy the packet of noodles. Okay, and a packet of noodles costs $3.20. Okay, so give me a moment. Okay, so you are going to use whatever you are given here to buy a bowl of noodle that costs you $3.20. Okay, so and then you need to work out the amount of change that you're going to get. So you don't need to draw the money here, you just write down and indicate to me what are you going to use. For example, can I use, let's say, I want to use one $2 note, two $2 note, and three $2 note. Can I use this to buy my noodle? Okay, no, you cannot use that because you only have two $2 notes here, so you can never have three $2 notes like this. Okay, so this cannot be one way. Okay, instead, let's say I just take two $2 notes to buy. Okay, so two $2 notes will give you $4. Okay, and since the noodle only costs $3.20, what is your change? Okay, you should be able to tell me it's $4 minus $3.20 to give you 80 cents. Okay, so this is how I want you to present. Down here, you write down here and tell me how are you going to form the money that you give to the person. Okay, let's say you want to give $2, you just write down $2 plus $2 to give you $4. And please also include your working to show me how you get your change. Okay, so this is just one way. Can you go and try out and find the other two ways here and fill up the two blanks here? Okay, now let's move on to the next page and look at the problem solving question. So, a cap and two t-shirts cost $64.50. The same type of shirt and one such t-shirt costs $38. So, how much does a cap cost? So remember, when you do word problem, the first step is always to understand the question first. Okay, so after you read this question, what do you think are the two types of items here? Okay, you should be able to tell me that the two types of items here is your t-shirt, okay, and a cap. Okay, so these are the two types of items here. So, how much does a cap and a t-shirt cost? Okay, a cap and a t-shirt will cost $38. Okay, cost is already written here. So, how much do two t-shirts cost? Do you know the price of two t-shirts? Okay, do you know it? Okay, you do not know it as well. Okay, you are not aware of the price of the two t-shirts, and you are asked to find cost of one cap. Okay, so in this case, they already drew a diagram for you. Okay, they showed you that the price of one cap and two t-shirt is $64.50. Okay, and I also know that one cap and one shirt costs $38. Okay, which is what we have drawn here. So this costs $38. Okay, so why not we draw a model for this question? Okay, so I have a cap, I have a t-shirt, and I got another t-shirt. Okay, so let's say the cap costs this amount. Do you think the cap and the t-shirt will cost the same amount? Can you assume that they cost the same thing? Okay, you should never assume that they cost the same, so you can never draw them to be equal. Okay, you cannot tell me that the shirt and the cap is the same price. Okay, but both shirt will cost the same price. Okay, and then I know that a shirt and a cap is $38. Okay, I know that a shirt and a cap is $38, and I know the price of a cap and two t-shirts is going to be $64.50. So everything here is going to be $64.50. So what do you see from the model already? can you see that I know the total here, $64.50. If I take away $38, take away means I'm going to subtract, means I don't want anymore. So I take my hand, I cover away the part that I minus. Can you see that I'm only left with the price of a t-shirt? Okay, so you take the total minus 38, which means you minus away the cost of one cap and the cost of one t-shirt. You would be able to find the cost of just one t-shirt. Okay, I've drew the model out using the model drawing tool instead, so it looks clearer and neater. So can you maybe pause the video for maybe 1 minute or so and edit and draw your model for the question for your problem solving on page 190. Okay, and like what I said just now, we know that the total, everything here, is $64.50. Okay, and I'm given that a t-shirt and a cap is $38. Remember, you can never assume that they cost the same. So you should never be drawing them to be the same length. Okay, and if I take $64.50 minus 38, minus means I take away means I don't want, so I can cover my model. I realize that I'm left with the price of my t-shirt only. Okay, so if I take $64.50 minus 38, I'm only left with the price of my t-shirt. Okay, so back to your workbook, page 191. So $64.50 minus $38.00. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5. You bring down a decimal point. 4 minus 8, 4 cannot minus 8, so you regroup from here. You get left with 5, and this becomes 14. And 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then you bring down a dollar sign. Okay, so $64.50 minus $38 is $26.50. Okay, so you found out that the price of one shirt is $26.50. Okay, remember your dot. If not, it will become $2,650. Okay, so remember your dot here. So now, let's look back at our model. Okay, in my model, I found out that a t-shirt costs $26.50, meaning this same t-shirt will also cost $26.50. So I know that this t-shirt and this cap cost $38. If I take away the price of the shirt, I will be able to find the price of the cap. Okay, so your next step will be to take $38 minus $26.50. Okay, so same thing, I will do the working out for you to double check. Okay, so your dollar sign, $38 minus $26.50. Okay, so you minus as per normal, like how you do for whole numbers. So 0 minus 0, you get 0. 0 minus 5, 0 cannot minus 5, so you regroup here, you left with 7, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5, you get 5. Bring down a decimal point. 7 minus 6, you get 1. 3 minus 2, you also get 1. And then your dollar sign here. Okay, so you will get $11.50. So the price of the cap is $11.50. Okay, and then now we know that given in the question, your total cost of your 2 t-shirt and a cap needs to add up to $64.50. Okay, you already found the price of one cap. You also know the price of the t-shirt. So price of a cap is $11.50. Price of a t-shirt is $26.50. So this is one t-shirt, and this is your second t-shirt. Okay, so please add up to see whether do you get $64.50. If you do, meaning you have found the correct answer for your cap. Okay, So we have come to the end of today's YouTube lesson. Please revisit this video and reload it and replay it again if you still have any doubts for any part of the question. If you are clear, please go on to my individual HBL timetable and look at the list of items I need you to do, as well as the things I need you to post on Showbie. And also, please remember to do your post video reflection. Thank you.